Welcome to Compare to Win. The best toddler silverware is probably one of the most essential items for parents navigating the exciting, and often messy, world of toddlerhood. From tiny hands learning to grasp to independent eaters exploring new textures and flavors, choosing the right silverware can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll dive into the top picks, comparing features, safety, and ease of use to help you find the perfect set for your little one. Number 5. Munchkin Splash Toddler Utensil Set, Pink Purple. Introducing the Munchkin Splash Toddler Utensil Set. This set is designed specifically for toddlers, making mealtime easier and more fun for everyone. This set includes 2 forks, 2 knives, and 2 spoons in fun, vibrant colors. They are also BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your little one. The ergonomic handles are designed for small hands, making it easy for toddlers to grip and control. This design helps them learn to eat independently. The flatware is designed to pick up food with minimal effort. The knife edge is also safe for kids to handle, so you don't have to worry. This set is perfect for toddlers 18 months and older. It's a great way to encourage self-feeding and make mealtime a success. What we like. This set features ergonomic handles, making it super easy for little hands to grip. The knife edge is designed with safety in mind, so you don't have to worry. If you're looking for a set that's both functional and safe for your toddler to use, this is a great choice. What people say. The fork is the perfect size for little hands and the tines are not too sharp. The spoon is the perfect size for little mouths. The silverware is easy to clean. Number 4. Pimoys Toddler Utensils, Safe Stainless Steel Cutlery Set. Introducing the Pimoys Toddler Flatware Set, crafted from 304 stainless steel. This set is completely BPA-free, ensuring it's easy to clean and safe for your little one to use during self-feeding. The design is specifically made for kids. The rounded fork tines and spoon without sharp edges make it safe. The ergonomic design makes it easy to grip and use. This spoon and fork set is perfectly sized for your child's hands. The cutlery set is approximately 5 by 1 inch, making it easy for your child to self-feed. These modern designs come in various colors, perfect for both baby girls and boys. They're durable and reusable, making them a great gift. You'll receive 3 forks and 3 spoons in 3 different colors. The bright, cheerful colors will attract young children's interest in eating. It's a lovely gift for birthdays and other special events. What we like. Made from safe and durable stainless steel, this set is built to last. The rounded fork tines and spoon design make it extra safe for your child. If you are looking for a set that is easy for your child to use and safe for self-feeding, then this is the one. What people say. The fork is the perfect size for little hands and the tines are not too sharp. The spoon is the perfect size for little hands. The silverware is easy to clean and has held up well in the dishwasher. Number 3. Pimoys Toddler Utensil Set. This set includes 6 forks and 6 spoons, perfect for everyday use at home or when traveling. It provides enough utensils for your child's needs and easy replacements. Made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, it's BPA-free and easy to clean. The material ensures the safety of your baby during self-feeding. Each utensil is about 4.9 by 1 inches, suitable for most users. It comes in pink, blue, and green, with 4 pieces of each color. The variety of colors are loved by children. The set features round, smooth handles, making it safe to hold and learn table manners. The design prevents any harm to children's lips and hands. These utensils feature a simple design in modern colors, making them durable and reusable. The neutral colors are suitable for both baby girls and boys, making it an adorable gift. What we like. This set comes with a generous 12 pieces, perfect for home or travel. The variety of colors adds a fun touch. If you like having options and want a set that's both practical and fun, this is a great pick. What people say. The fork is the perfect size for my toddler to use. The spoon is the perfect size for my toddler to use. The knife is the perfect size for my toddler to use. Number 2. Pimoys Toddler Spoons, Stainless Steel, BPA-free, dishwasher safe. These toddler utensils are crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel. They are non-corrosive and BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your child. Plus, they're easy to clean. The rounded fork tines and spoon ends are designed with your baby's safety in mind. The shape is perfect for little mouths, eliminating any worry about sharp edges. The spoon is 5 inches long, ideal for kids. The handles are easy to grip, and the fork's tines are smooth. It's a great gift for birthdays or holidays. With simple, modern designs and neutral colors, these utensils are perfect for any baby. They are durable, reusable, and make an adorable gift for any occasion. You'll receive 6 baby spoons in 3 different colors. This set provides plenty for your needs and offers a variety of colors. What we like. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this set is built to last. The rounded tines and spoon ends are designed with safety in mind. If you are looking for a set of spoons that are easy to hold and safe for your little one, then this is a great choice. What people say. Easy for my 2-year-old to hold. Perfect size and great quality. The bigger handle makes it a bit easier for baby and the metal does not rust like others. I've had them for over a year and they look brand new. Great starter spoons for babies' toddlers. Dishwasher safe. Number 1. ANNOVA Kids Stainless Steel Flatware Set. This set includes forks and spoons designed specifically for children. It's made by ANNOVA, ensuring quality and safety for your little ones. The set includes 3 forks and 3 spoons, sized perfectly for kids. They'll love having their own silverware, just like the adults. Made from mirror-polished stainless steel, this flatware is durable and safe. It won't scratch, rust, or break, and it's free of hazardous materials. This set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. It's built to last, perfect for everyday use at home or in preschools. This flatware set is an ideal gift for new parents or for any special occasion. It's a thoughtful and practical present that kids will enjoy. The handles are designed to be easy for children to hold. It is suggested for children aged 24 months and up. What we like. This set is made of mirror-polished stainless steel, which is durable and safe. The comfortable handles are easy for children to hold. If you like a set that is designed for children's size and safety, this is the perfect gift for your kids. What people say. The fork tines are rounded, so they are safe for my toddler. The size is perfect for little hands. The spoon is the perfect size and depth for little mouths. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.